A very good morning to all. Today we are going to learn a new topic that is about subtraction, and we'll be learning about how to do story sum subtraction. So let's start with the first one. Surabhi filled air in 18 balloons. So Surabhi had 18 balloons with her. 5 of the balloons burst. How many filled balloons did Surabhi have then? So Surabhi had 18 balloons with her, and from that 18 balloons, 5 got burst. And you can see the 5 bursted balloons here. And what you need to find? You need to find how many filled balloons are there with Surabhi. So you need to subtract 18 minus 5. From 18 balloons, you need to subtract the 5 balloons that got bursted. You need to take away 5 from 18. So 18 minus 5. What is 18 minus 5? 18. So 8 comes in 1's place. Then 1 in 10's place. First, we need to subtract the numbers in 1's place. So what is 8 minus 5? Which means you need to take away 5 from 3. Here you can move 5 steps backward. You can do backward counting to 5 steps. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So what is 8 minus 5? 8 minus 5 equal 3. And you can take this 1 and write next to 3. So that is 13. So how many filled balloons are there with Surabhi? 13 balloons. Let's see the next one. I had 17 apples in the basket. So you can see the basket here, and here there are how many apples? 17 apples. And 3 fell down on the ground. So what happened to the 3 apples? It fell down. You can see the 3 apples on the ground. And what do you need to find? You need to find how many apples are left. Then I had dash apples. So how many apples are there left in the basket? So total how many apples were there? Total 17 apples were there. And 3 apples fell down. And what do you need to find? You need to find the number of apples left in the basket. So let's cut 3 apples from 17 apples. 1, 2, 3. So we have cut 3 apples from 17 apples. So how many are left in the basket? So 17 minus 3. You need to take away 3 from 17. You need to subtract 3 from 17. So number 17. 7 comes in 1's place, 1 in 10's place. First, what you need to do? You need to subtract the numbers at 1's place. So 7 minus 3. Here you can do backward counting. You can move 3 steps backward. 6, 5, 4. So what is 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3 equal 4. And you can take number 1 and write next to 4. So it becomes 14. So what is 17 minus 3? 17 minus 3 equal 14. So how many apples are left in the basket? There are 14 apples. Now you can take page number 89 and let's do the exercise. Let's see B. So let's read the question, understand it, and let's do the answers. So let's read it. I had 15 apples in the second basket. So this is the basket. How many apples are there? There are 15 apples. And 2 fell down on the ground. So how many fell down? 2 fell down on the ground. Then I had dash apples. So what do you need to find? You need to find how many apples are remaining in the basket. So there were 15 apples, and from the 15 apples, 2 fell down to the ground. So you need to find how many apples are there in the basket. So 15 minus 2. You need to take away 2 from 15. So first we need to subtract the numbers at 1's place. So what is 5 minus 2? You can move 2 steps backward. 4, 3. So what is 5 minus 2? That is 3. Then let's take down and write this 1 near to 3 and it becomes 13. So how many apples are there left in the basket? There are 13 apples. So then I had 13 apples. So we got the answer. Let's see the next one. I had 16 apples in the third basket. In this basket, how many apples are there? 16. So, and 4 fell down. So this time, how many fell down? This time, 4 fell down to the ground. And then I had dash apples. So you need to find how many apples are left in the basket. So 16 minus 4. From 16 apples, 4 fell down. So what is 16 minus 4? You can see 16 minus 4. You need to take away 4 from 16. First, let's subtract the ones place. 6 minus 4. So what is 6 minus 4? You can do backward counting. You can move 4 steps backwards. So 5, 4, 3, 2. So what is 6 minus 4? 6 minus 4 equal 2. And you can take this 1 and write next to 2. Then it becomes 12. So how many apples are there left in the basket? There are 12 apples. So this is how you should do the subtraction story sums. Coming to page number 90. Here you can see groups of leaves. And what you are going to do is, you have to cross out 4 leaves from each group. And you have to write the leftover leaves in the box. You have to write the leftover leaves in the box. So the first one is already done. So let's do the second one. So you can see group of leaves here. So how many leaves are there? First, what you need to do? You need to count the number of leaves here. So how many leaves are there? Can you just count how many are there? So how many leaves are there? There are 18. Right, 18 are there. Then what you need to do? You need to cut 4 leaves. So we are going to cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we cut 4. So just count and see how many leaves are remaining. How many are there? There are 14. So what is 18 minus 4? 18 minus 4 equal 14. So 14 leaves are remaining. Let's do the next one. Here also you can see group of leaves. What do you need to do first? You need to count the number of leaves. Just count and see how many leaves are there. How many are there? There are 14. There are total 14 leaves. And what do you need to do? You need to cut 4 leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we cut 4. Then count and see how many are remaining. How many are remaining there? 10. So what is 14 minus 4? 14 minus 4 equal 10. What about the third one? First, what you need to do? Count and see how many leaves are there. How many leaves are there? There are 13. So what do you need to do? You need to cut 4 leaves. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is 13 minus 4? Now how many leaves are remaining now? How many are there? There are 9. So what is 13 minus 4? 13 minus 4 equal 9. So this is how you should do this. So the remaining 2, you can do this by yourself. You have to count the number of leaves. Then you have to cross 4. You have to cut 4 and then you have to find how many are remaining. Okay. Now let's see the next one. You can take page number 91. So see here. Here you have to draw sticks for the given numbers. Then you have to subtract. So let's see. Let me give you an example. Let's take the second one. 12 minus 3. So we need to subtract 3 from 12. You need to take away 3 from 12. So that first you can draw 12 sticks. So let's draw 12 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here there are 12 sticks. Then what you need to do? You need to take away 3 sticks from 12 sticks. You need to cross out 3. So let's cut 3. 1, 2, 3. So we cut 3 sticks. Now what we need to do? You need to find how many sticks are remaining. Just count and see how many are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 are remaining. So what is 12 minus 3? 12 minus 3 equal 9. So this is how you need to calculate this. Let's do one more. So 15 minus 8. We need to subtract 8 from 15. You need to take away 8 from 15. So what you need to do first? You need to draw 15 sticks. You are going to cut 8 from 15. So what we need to do first? We need to draw 15 sticks. So let's draw 15 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now what we need to do? We need to cut 8. So let's cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count and see how many are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 are remaining. So what is 15 minus 8? 15 minus 8 equal 7. So 15 minus 8 equal 7. So likewise, you can do the rest of the question. 13 minus 7. What do you need to do here? You need to take away 7 from 13. So how many sticks you need to draw? You need to draw 13 sticks. From 13 sticks, how many sticks you need to cross out? You need to cross out 7 sticks. Then you can count the remaining number of sticks. Then you can write the answer here. Likewise, you can do the rest of the 3 questions. So this is how you should do the cross out subtraction. So I hope you have understood. So let's meet in the next class and discuss a new topic. Till then, thank you.